Oh God, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters, to another reaction video, man. And if this is your first time on this channel, let me officially welcome you guys. Over here, we react to funny comedy skits from TikTok. We basically just want to have a nice time, laugh, and be on some good vibes and positive vibe. We don't do too much, you feel me? We are continuing with the Shits and Gigs funny moments reaction. If you don't know who these guys are, I don't know what to tell you, to be honest. But anyways, without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video, man.
Come over, I'll get you pregnant. Reply, I have an IUD. Damn, so you want me to drive there? That's a DUI.
wait,
Why are you
what?
single? Reply, my boyfriend passed away 5 months ago. Oh, sorry. Reply, it's fine. Reply, did you do it? What?
I was not expecting that.
Bro, did you do it?
Do it.
That's a crazy question to
fam.
ask, bro.
Am I
That's
pretty?
a crazy question.
Yeah, why? What's up? You really think so? Chill out. I don't like lying twice.
Wow.
Act as if you're my girl, yeah, and just reply to what I'm saying.
Say less.
All right. Babe, breathe in. Breathe out.
I know this one, but I forgot. But let me see again. Let me see if it's gonna get me. I heard that one before, but I forgot.
Act as if you're my girl, yeah, and just reply to what I'm saying.
Say less.
All right.
Babe, breathe in. Breathe out. It's over.
Imagine if someone broke up with you like that. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Oh shit.
I don't understand how you have the audacity to keep acting up like there's not a full line behind you.
Wow.
Like there's not a full line behind you, brother.
Nah, you know what? Just break up already. End the relationship. End the whole thing, bro. That's crazy. Just end it. I'm done. Fuck.
Man saying you're only in this spot because I deem so.
Damn.
I can lock you off like that.
Nah, bro, this can't run.
Replaceable
Women are
like in a
treacherous.
minute.
To be fair, the men's ones were
I've
fucking
got
savage. Man said, up your antidepressants.
You're not leaving, man.
Nah.
All right, next one.
Yeah.
I'm not bored enough to talk to you right now. Bye.
That's mad.
I told him I'd swallow his nut,
Ugh.
not knowing what it tasted like. I ended up spitting everything back on his stomach.
Honestly, take the L. In that moment, you promised me something. You promised me something. Take the L.
Most embarrassing thing that's happened to you in front of your partner. I was drunk and called his mum a sketty.
Ah, no,
Sketty bitch.
no, hell no, bro.
I've never even heard the word sketty before.
And bro,
That's an adjective.
there's a female that said that.
A sketty.
I would have lost my mind.
As the boyfriend or the
As
mother?
the boyfriend.
Oh, facts.
Obviously as the
both.
mum.
Yeah.
Wow. Shut up, you sketty bitch.
Where does that vocab come from? That's built in.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's emotionally charged.
Yeah, now I don't care if she's drunk or whatever. That day, the whole thing is ending. Like, it's ending. Yeah, what the hell?
facts.
Damn, man.
Facts. That's crazy. My car got repossessed whilst we were on the date. Whilst we were on the date, bro. Oh, just pay them bills, man.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
Is James gay? That's
Bro.
all people ask me.
Fair.
Do you not get that loads?
Yeah.
But do you know what it is?
I like
It's
it though.
That must
Do
be
you?
jarring. Like,
Yeah, I like it. It doesn't jar me. I like
Good.
it.
Is
Love
it?
because you know what it is as well. Is like I've had. This is not even to like flex or anything like that. Like I've had
so much porn.
gal with their man be like, please don't tell me you're gay. Like please don't tell me. I'm like, your man's here on a meet and greet.
Yeah.
Like he's here holding your bag, and you're like, please don't say you're gay. Like please don't say you're gay.
What did
And
that
I'm
do for them?
Bro, facts. I don't even know. So like, it doesn't bother me because it's like people, people don't care.
Yeah.
They like to make all the, and then
But
Let's move
I think it's more for you on the entertainment, because in terms of like some people like me growing up, I've had a lot of friends that will do that the gay quote unquote gay banter, but it's kind of like it's their bag and it just makes it funny. But you know, on the day to day, they're just like regular schmegular peeps. You know,
That's the thing. You know what it is as well. Like, I've said this story a couple times, but like this one actually like really meant a lot to me. One time, we have a mutual friend. We were on a night out one time, and she come up to. She's a school teacher, and she teaches like year 8, year 9, whatever. And she was like, "Oh, there was one thing we did where Fuad was talking about like the best Christmas present he would give me." And I was like, bro, you you must want me to suck the skin off your dick, bro.
Yeah.
And then
Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. What?
there was one thing we did where Fuad was talking about like the best Christmas present he would give me. And I was like, bro, you must want me to suck the skin off your dick, bro. And then
Wait, look at Philly's face, bro. Look at Philly's eyes. What a sad eye. Look at Philly's eye, because Philly's like, what? You gonna do what? Nah, but if we make a whole compilation of when James is being fruity, bruh, you would actually think homie was gay. Like, it's crazy.
bro,
Because of the fact, obviously, he knows James so well, so he's basically saying what James would want, and you can see like he's actually. Like, I can't believe that. Hitting it, yeah.
But anyway, she come up to me and she was like, "Oh, one of my year 8s the other day asked his boy for a pencil, and he said, bro, I'll suck the skin off your dick if you give me that pencil." And everyone was cracking up. But what she said, she was like, "To see, there's never been a time where you can have a bunch of black guys from London." At that age, 14 years old, making gay jokes and no one's saying nothing. Everyone's just laughing.
Okay.
Hey, babe. Sending you 5K. You give 1K to your little boyfriend. Then with the rest, you make yourself beautiful, okay? Reply. Hi, this is Kevin, her boyfriend. She didn't give me the money. Please talk to her. Please talk to her.
Oh, that's funny.
By any means, I need that.
No, that bro is down bad. That's the definition of a real down bad, bro. That's crazy.
P.
Oh, bro, facts.
Damn.
Give 1K to your little boyfriend.
He has no pride.
Hell
He has
nah.
no pride. He said,
No,
please talk to her. She didn't give it to
You
me.
fam, she didn't give me the K. Talk to her.
No pride.
Bro, what the hell?
Couldn't be me.
What would you do? Yeah, what would you do if you actually fucking broke and
I
your
saw
girl
that
and your
message.
nah, you don't even see the message. Your
Okay.
girl sent you a K. You say, but what's this for? And then she just shows you the message.
She showed me the effort.
I did. She sends you a bag. Lets you get gas, and you go, why is it in a bag?
Yeah.
And then she just shows you the message. It says, give a bag to your little
I'd
boyfriend.
have to send it back. I'd rather starve.
Yeah, I swear. I swear, bro. Take the whole thing back. The whole 5K. Send the whole 5K back. What the hell, bro? Leave a boyfriend? Nah, bro. That's too much. If I just say give the 1K to your boyfriend, I would have gladly taken it. You feel me? I would gladly take it, but see that little boyfriend thing? Hell nah, bro.
Rather starve. She can have, and obviously the relationship is obviously done after that.
Yeah.
Because
Obviously,
it has to be done, and I'd genuinely rather starve. I would rather steal.
Yeah. Oh, 100%.
Steal and get caught.
Yeah.
Than know for a fact that she's lent me this money, and now I'm in the group chat.
Yeah. Nah, bro. That's mad.
What's the wildest thing you found in someone else's house? A framed picture of me that I never gave them hanging on their wall.
Yo, because you're in two minds as well, because you know the throat's gonna be nuts.
She idolizes.
Yeah.
She idolizes, man. Let me try something. Let me test the waters. Let me make her dreams come true.
Sorry, bro. I just have to give you some flowers right now. Because sometimes I tease some sick and when you snatch it up and just double down, it's the funniest thing. Fred, you don't understand. It's the funniest thing.
I like these dudes, bro.
How old were you when you found out the Y in your girl was silent?
That took ages.
I was waiting for the penny to drop.
I'm there like, what's happening? The why in your girl is silent.
She's
It's all
our
I got.
girl now.
Why do you fear women? She
She's
came
our
with
girl.
her bed sheets and bed covers to sleep over at my place because her boyfriend abroad will video call her in the morning and he knows her bedding.
It's so jarring that women know they can get away with that. Because bring it then. Facts! If anything, it's a bonus because I don't need to change my sheets in the morning. As soon as you dip, I'm putting my own sheets back on. Fresh as a daisy.
Yeah, I'm never telling your man. It's never going to be one of them ones.
Women know with
Yeah.
such confidence. He's not saying nothing to my man. Let me put my sheets on. Shut.
You confront
Now, dude, see, we boys, bro, that's so crazy. We wouldn't care. The main thing is we get to bust a nut and we're good. We don't do too much, bro. Boys is literally like this YouTube channel. We don't do too much, bro. We just be on some positive, good energy type shit. You feel me? If a girl wants to come over to my place with extra bedsheet and pillows, hell yeah, come on in, bro. I wouldn't say no.
a guy about some shit he did and he'd be like, can I call you? Sir, just text me the lies. Reply, you need to hear my voice for the manipulation to work. Facts. 100%. Facts.
That's true, bro. That's true. Testing is so different from like hearing someone's voice. It's so different. It's different. So hell yeah.
This is the picture, yeah?
Wow.
Yeah. Fat hickey on Donnie's neck.
Yeah.
And the title's Fellas, give me your best excuse if your side chick leaves this on your neck.
Oh, God, yeah.
I got bit by a snake and the homies tried to suck the poison.
Nah,
That's your grown
that's a dumb lie. That one wouldn't even fly.
lips sucking. I mean, I'd need them there, but I couldn't have your grown lips sucking my neck like
I
that.
promise you, I'm not doing it,
Yeah,
bro. You already know from the Hollywood thing, I'm not doing it.
Okay, that was my cock. Are you not sucking my neck? Bro, all right, cut the thread.
No. Bro, James is the most. I don't even know how to describe James. James is crazy, bro. James is just too crazy, bro. James is way too crazy, bro. The things he be saying though, James be saying some of the most crazy things.
You already know from the Hollywood thing, I'm not doing it.
Okay, that was my cock. Are you not sucking my neck? Bro, all right, cut the thread. Are you not sucking my neck?
No, bro. What am I sucking your neck for?
Oh, not again with this, bro. Please, not again with this, bro. Please, not again with
There'll be
this.
someone there to do it.
No,
bro.
there's not gonna be anyone
Yes,
there.
there will,
It's me
bro.
and you.
It's not gonna happen.
We're in the Welsh Mountains again. Like, okay, let's just run it back. Please pay attention this time.
All right, give me the scenario. Said no.
Bro, what? Like this is like some conversations you'll be having when you like high as hell. Bro, what the
And
hell?
fairly, I mean, not fairly, but you said you wouldn't
Not
suck
fairly.
the poison out of my cock. That's fair, bro. That's fair, okay? Fair enough. I battled with it at the time.
Yeah.
I'm over it.
Yeah.
But my
Bro saying battle with it over time and it's over it. Are you serious, bro? What the hell?
neck, if you bit me on my neck, you're gonna let me die. So, because you're gonna suck the poison out of my neck.
Hold on. Because there are so many.
You know what's crazy? James is actually very, very serious. Like he's not even playing. He means it.
Right, there's so many things I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
I'm either thinking about what position am I putting you in to suck the poison out of your neck? One.
Yeah.
Two, if I do suck the poison out of your neck, I'm just ingesting poison.
No, you spit it out,
Yeah,
bro.
but it's still in my gums.
Nah, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You spit it out and it's done. Have you not seen the movies, bro?
Yeah, but-
Suck and spit.
That's the
It's
movie.
It's a movie, bro.
It's a movie, bro.
This is what I have.
It's a movie.
Just
bro.
don't swallow spit for 10 minutes. Rinse your mouth out.
With what?
Pretty.
And if you swallow it, it's gonna go. It's gonna go in your stomach. You'll burn it off. It's calm. People in like Mexico drink shots with like poison in it.
Oh yeah, they do. To be fair.
You're calm. A man's worried about positions. Whatever position you need me in, bro. Whatever position you need me to.
My position. Pause. You have to pause that one, James. Whatever position you need me in is wild, bro.
Suck
my
it
God.
out. Please, bro. Bend me up. Man said there'd be someone else to do it. You're my best friend. Who? Who else is sucking it?
I'll get a scalpel and slice you.
And then what? Squeeze it.
Yeah, like force feed it out.
All right, do what you need
That
to do.
I would do.
But what if you don't have a scalpel?
I'll find something. I'll get a pen or something. I'll get a pen to your
Always
neck.
something with you.
I'll get a pen to your
There's
neck.
honestly always something with you. It's my neck, bro. It's come
That's a
on,
lot. That's a sensey
bro.
spot.
It's my neck.
A neck is
Yeah.
That's a spot.
Yeah.
And get close to the earlobe by mistake. Do you know what I mean? And before you know, I'm talking shit. Because what can never happen? Well, I promise you now, James. I can't place my lips on your neck, and the peripheral of my left eye sees you lick your lips.
Yeah, fam. Ligless and I grab the back of your head. Fuck.
Bro, what the
I
hell
can't
is
hear
wrong?
a murmur out of you, bro. You'd have to be dead.
Oh,
fam.
shit. Yeah, bro said the neck is a sweet spot and it's not licking close to his earlobes. That's mad.
Yeah, I'll try. But I know because that's my, like you said, that's my sense.
It's a
That's ticklish. Because I know for about, I'll be like, I'll grab it, and then I know you want to stop. Yeah. So when you try to stop, I'll grab
Grab your
it.
phone. I'll be punching. It's in there. I promise you, I'll be punching everything.
I know what happened, bro. You'll place your fucking thick lips on my neck, and I'll say,
Man said thick lips.
and then I know you'll be thinking, fuck this, and I'll grab your neck. I'll grab your neck, suck it out, bro,
James
please.
is crazy,
I'm
bro.
sorry, suck it out.
Oh my god.
Fuck, please
Nah,
suck
James
it
is
out.
funny. James is funny, bro. James
Oh
is
god, that's
too
two
funny.
jokes.
They're both too funny anyways. They're both too funny. But James, bro,
I
damn.
don't like my name though. I don't like. You know, I'm okay with my name. I just don't like the man.
Jackman.
Just darkest.
It just makes me sound like some superhero. And I feel like I'm here to save the light.
Save the light.
So if people just call me darkest, I like that. Like just darkest. I feel like it's got a ring to it. But telling people my name is a bit of a, especially people that don't know who I am. They'll be like, "Oh, what's your name?" Darkest.
Do you guys ever say
Darkest
no?
as
Sorry,
well.
I have a girlfriend. Reply: if someone offers you money, do you say no? I have a salary.
That's true. That's 100. That's true, bro.
Bro, facts. At the end of the day, facts. Like, what are we doing?
Facts.
What are we actually doing, bro? Oh, that's funny.
I'm so glad the music in the club be loud because I'll be farting and shit.
Wow, what the
That's
hell?
disgusting. That is disgusting.
Fam, I promise you now, there's not a single thing worse than smelling poop in a club.
Oh, it's
Oh
just
my God.
musty. It's
You
and it,
don't have a clue who the culprit
because
is.
it hits you
It's
so hard.
so warm and humid, bro. And you just you hate
Everyone.
in the vicinity.
Everyone.
Fuck.
What fats? That's so fats. Like I remember a certain time I was in the club, right? So I was just dancing because whenever I'm in the club, I'm just dancing. I'm just doing my thing. I'll just smell fat, and I just be like, it would just ruin my whole mood. I just move away from the vicinity and I just go somewhere else. But like it's horrifying. And it's annoying. It's annoying as fuck.
You hate everyone, and then you look at a painting, and then you're like, if it came from you, I swear to God, I'm gonna start throwing hands.
Because it hits you as if it was targeted for you.
Oh,
It
1,000,000%.
stinks in
It
the club.
stinks, and everyone, you're looking at them, and
They're looking at you.
and you're like, "Fuck you!" It's
So
not me.
bad.
And then you have to be the guy that's like,
The fuck is that?
"Nah, whose body's hot?"
It's hot. Damn.
This guy's a savage. Not only did I cheat, me and her laid up in bed laughing at your makeup page on Insta.
No, stay
Bro, we stayed up posting, laughing at your makeup page.
That's evil.
Spooning, just giggling.
That's evil, bruh.
That's horrible.
That's horrible.
That's
horrible.
evil. Damn. No heart.
If
You
we
have no
smashing,
heart.
don't tell me deeper. If I could go deeper, I would. You don't hear me saying tighter. 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 Tighter.
Make it tighter.
Make it
Bro,
tighter.
that's so mad.
Make
bro.
it tighter.
That's so crazy, bro.
About deeper.
Wow, that's funny.
That's funny. That's crazy, bro. Go tighter. Damn. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Nah, these guys, they are way too funny, bro. And they complement each other's energy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I love them, man. Peace out, man. We out.